Potentiometer is an accurate and versatile device to make electrical measurements of EMF because the method involves which property? It's known that the potentiometer is highly accurate for measuring the electromotive force because it operates under the null deflection condition, which means when the potential difference across the portion of a potentiometer wire matches the EMF of a cell being measured, there is no current flowing through galvanometer. So this will be called as no current flowing through galvanometer or null deflection condition. Since no current flows, the measurement is unaffected by the internal resistance of the cell or the resistance of the galvanometer. This ensures the high accuracy as well. So the working principle of potentiometer relies on uniform potential gradient which along the wire. But the key aspect that ensure the precision is null condition. So the correct answer for this question is option B, a condition of no current flows through galvanometer.